Deepthi. Welcome to my channel, a place where you can learn at your own pace. I have received a lot of requests for making a cue card video, so here it is. Cue card is a card which will be given to you in the second part of your speaking test. In that card, you will get a topic. That topic will have a few bullet points that follow. Now what you are supposed to do is, you are supposed to speak on this topic. For the same, you will get 1 minute to prepare and you have to speak on this topic somewhere between 1 to 2 minutes. So what planning should we take care of while we are dealing with this? Let us understand this through this video.
So let's look at the sample test which has been taken from Cambridge IELTS Book 10, and this is the first test. As you can see, the test is divided into different parts. In the first part, the examiner is going to ask you something about yourself. This can relate to about your home, your hometown, the work that you do, your studies, or any other familiar topic like your hobbies or what kind of books you like to read. In this example, we can see the examiner is asking questions pertaining to weekends. So 2 or 3 such topics will be dealt with in the first part, and the questions would go like you can see in the sample. Around 2 to 3 topics like this would be asked in the first part, and somewhere between 6 to 9 questions will be there. Then we will move to second part. In the second part, you can see the blue box, which is the cue card. So this is going to be provided to you, and this is the part that I was talking about, wherein you'll get 1 minute to prepare and 2 minutes to speak. We need to remember that second part is the only part where you get time for preparation. All the other sections are extempore. We will discuss this part in more detail. In the third part, you will see that the questions are more detailed and the questions are pertaining to the topic that you got in the cue card. In this part, you will see that the questions become more generalized as they connect to the topic given in the cue card. They may ask about global implications, past or present comparisons, what are the future implications, and how the particular topic can be applied to the global scenario. Or it can also ask you questions based on hypothetical scenario. While undergoing the speaking section, you should keep in mind that you're not being tested for your knowledge. It's just about your ability to express your views in correct English. So let's move to the cue card. Now you can clearly see that the topic has been given in one sentence. Describe someone you know who does something well. And below you will see a few points that you have to speak on. Now we should remember that we are getting 1 minute to prepare for this topic, and we have stationery with us wherein if we want we can write down some points, because that is going to be provided by the examiner. So what we can do in this 1 minute is write a few points which we want to incorporate in the topic and simply weave a story around it. Now why a story? A story is important because stories are more relatable. They help you interconnect your ideas. Stories are more connected and people are interested in stories. So that is one important thing that you should keep in mind. If you present this topic in form of a story, you will make your topic more interesting and more connected. For this particular topic, we can talk about anyone who's a professional or anyone who's successful in his field, or somebody who generally does something well. For example, somebody who cooks well, somebody who drives well, somebody who swims well, or somebody who is good at giving feedback. So let us see what can be a good sample answer for this topic. In the year 2015, we were planning a family function. We were looking for a photographer who could capture the memories for us. That time, one of my friends recommended a photographer who was new in the field. Because my friend recommended, I met the photographer and I found his work impressive. So I hired him. On the day of the shoot, he made us do a lot of things which we enjoyed doing. After the event was done, we were eagerly awaiting for the photographs. Once the photographs came, we were very happy because most of them were candid and the album turned out to be exactly the way we wanted it to. We shared these photographs with our friends, our relatives, and people who couldn't turn up for the ceremony. Everybody appreciated his work, and some of them even asked for his contact details. We just loved the way he captured those beautiful memories into one album. We also gave him a very nice review on Google. So, what I did was I just created a story out of the question, and as you can see, I have taken care of all the points that were asked in the question. So, keep practicing more topics. Focus on intonation, grammar, and pronunciation, and you will see you will ace your IELTS exam.
So I hope this will make your cue card very easy, more organized and more effective. Please make sure keep practicing as many topics as possible. The more you practice, the better you become at it. That is what speaking is all about. All the very best for your preparation. Happy learning. Keep evolving.
So if you find this video useful, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. You may also want to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram.